The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, purportedly coming with a camera module featuring an arrangement of 5 sensors. And it could have a design disaster in the waiting for Samsung if a huge bump had been required to fit all the components, which include an expected 200 megapixel units. All the Galaxy S23 variants will have a matching individual camera lens design instead of the two-way design split we got with the S22 units. The battery life on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be way better than what we got in the S22 Ultra, despite the huge improvements in performance, and that's due to the TSMC processor, as their chipset are much denser than Samsung's own foundry. However, according to Ming-Chi Kuo, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 might be the only chipset that Samsung might use in their upcoming Galaxy S23 series. There is also another rumors that's indicating that Samsung might make a comeback with the Exynos 2300 chipset. But Ming-Chi Kuo also said the Exynos 2300 is not powerful enough to compete with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Ice Universe has shared images of a new series of protective cases that have seemingly been prepared for the Samsung Galaxy S23 range, and it appears at least 2 things have been noticed by fans that have caused quite a discussion. The generic cases are for the Samsung Galaxy S23, Samsung Galaxy S23 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, although Tipster has already made it clear that the S23 Pro case has the wrong name and is for the S23 Plus. The apparent good news that the protective part for the rear-facing main camera equipment appears to be almost flush with the smartphone cases itself. The benchmark also confirms that the Galaxy S23 will start at 8 GB of RAM with full HD resolution, while the S23 Ultra will likely start at 128 GB of RAM and QHD plus resolution. Now about the price. Samsung might support the same price tag as S23's predecessor unless there's any revolutionary upgrades, not the kind of innovation Apple claims to offer. It's also expected to get released in the month of February. Now what about the colors? Leaker Ross Young has our back here predicting the 4 colors the S23 phones will launch in, and he says these will be the same colors across all 3 models, the upcoming colors, and these are going to be beige, black, green, and light pink. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.